Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are always here to help you. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you could easily generate themes on Instagram by using Meta AI. So if you want to change the theme of your chat and you don't need the Instagram suggested theme, you want to create one out of your own mind, then you can use Meta AI for that. So I'll show you how to do that. First of all, what you have to do is to simply head towards Instagram. From the Instagram, go to the DM button at the top of the screen. Find out the particular chat on which you want to change the theme. For example, I want to change theme on this. I'll tap on that. Head towards the theme button over here. And now these are the themes which are given to us by Instagram. If you want to create one, head towards create with AI. Search for any of the theme, like searching rose theme. Search for that. It will generate you a theme on your command. This is like the theme. If you wanna use that, tap on next at the top of the screen and now tap on confirm, and after that the particular theme would be added to your chat. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.